Today we'll talk about how can you select your region on your Miho map. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in reverse. So you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on additional settings here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you just keep going down, click here on region here. So then here can you select your region in this list here, or can you search for it? So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,